Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add or create a subtask in Jira. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, head over to the project you want to work with. Selecting the correct project ensures that any subtasks you create are associated with the right tasks and objectives. Once inside your chosen project, next, identify and open the specific Jira issue where you intend to add a subtask. Once you've found the right issue, click on it to open the detailed view. Once the Jira issue is open, look for the Add button located just under the issue's name, click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Create Subtask, or sometimes it is called Child Work Items, so select this option. With the child issue or subtask template now open, enter the details for your subtask. Be as specific as possible. Provide a comprehensive description of the work that needs to be done. Finally, after filling out all the necessary information, click the Create button. This confirms and saves your new subtask, integrating it into your broader task management system within Jira, and that's it. So that is how you can add or create a subtask in Jira. So that's all for this video. Thanks.